Hi there, and welcome to the English Growth. Today's story is called The Lost Phone. It's a simple, real-life story that will help you learn everyday English for polite conversations, problem-solving, and asking for help. Let's imagine this together. It's a bright Monday morning. I'm walking to work, coffee in one hand, my phone in the other. The city is waking up. Buses passing, shops opening, people rushing across the street. I stop for a moment to take a quick photo of the sunrise. I smile, take the picture, and put the phone in my pocket. Then I continue walking. 5 minutes later, I reach the train station, reach into my pocket, and wait, the phone is gone. My heart drops. Oh no, where's my phone? I whisper to myself. I check every pocket, every part of my bag. Nothing. My phone has disappeared. I turn back, trying to remember where I might have dropped it. I replay every step in my head, the coffee shop, the crossing light, the newspaper stand. At that moment, I realize something. This isn't just a story about losing an object. It's about staying calm, asking for help, and using polite English to solve problems. So, in this story, you'll learn how to ask for help politely, describe lost items clearly, react calmly in stressful moments, and thank people naturally. Let's look at some useful words from this part of the story. Drop means to let something fall by accident. Pocket is a small part of your clothes where you keep things. Disappear means to go away suddenly. Remember means to bring something back to your mind. And calm means not angry or nervous. Now, a short grammar note. When we tell a story about something that already happened, we use the past simple tense. For example, I lost my phone, or I dropped it near the station. Now, say it with me. I lost my phone. Could you please help me? I think I dropped it near the station. Thank you for helping me. Great job. Let's move to the next scene. I take a deep breath and look around. The street is full of people, but maybe someone saw something. I walk back toward the coffee shop where I stopped earlier. Inside, the air smells of roasted beans and morning chatter. The barista greets me with a friendly smile. I say, "Excuse me, I think I dropped my phone outside. Did anyone find one recently?" She shakes her head gently. "I'm afraid not, but you can check near the counter or ask the cleaner outside." "Thank you," I reply. I check under the small tables, near the chairs, beside the counter. Nothing. Outside the cafe, a cleaner is sweeping leaves. I approach carefully. "Good morning. Sorry to bother you, but did you see a black phone on the ground?" He looks thoughtful. Maybe near the newspaper stand. I saw something shining there earlier." I thank him and hurry down the sidewalk, my eyes scanning the ground. The city seems louder now. Honking cars, footsteps, street sounds mixing with my heartbeat. I reach the stand. The old man selling papers looks up. "You lost something?" he asks kindly. "Yes, my phone. It might have fallen here." He points to a corner. "Check near that bench. Someone was sitting there, then left quickly." I walk over. There's nothing on the ground, just a few receipts and a coffee cup. Still, I remind myself, stay calm. You'll find it. Here are some new words from this part. Find means to discover something that was lost. Bother means to trouble or disturb someone. A bench is a long seat for several people. Remind means to help someone remember. And calm down means to become quiet and relaxed. Now, let's look at polite expressions. When you talk to strangers, begin with phrases like, "Excuse me," or "Sorry to bother you." They make your question sound friendly and respectful. Let's practice together. "Excuse me, have you seen my phone?" "Sorry to bother you, but I think I dropped something." "Thank you for your time. I really appreciate your help." Nicely done. Let's keep going. By now, I feel a bit tired, but I know the next step. Talk to the station staff. At the train station entrance, a security officer stands near the gate. I walk up to him and say, "Hello, I lost my phone this morning. Could you please check if someone turned it in?" He nods politely. "Of course. Can you describe it?" "It's black, with a blue case and a small sticker on the back," I reply. He checks his notebook and the lost and found box. Not yet, but if someone finds it, we'll call your number." I smile, slightly embarrassed. "That's the problem. It's my only phone." He laughed softly. "I understand. Leave your email address here. We'll contact you if it arrives." I thank him again and step aside. I'm starting to realize that in every conversation, people are kind, as long as I stay polite and clear. I buy a new coffee and sit on a bench, watching people hurry to work. For a moment, I accept that maybe the phone is gone. Then I hear a voice behind me. "Excuse me, did you lose a phone?" I turn around. A young woman holds a black phone in her hand. My heart skips a beat. "Yes, that's mine." She smiles. "I found it near the crosswalk. I waited to see if someone would come back." I thank her sincerely. "You just saved my morning. Thank you so much." She waves and says, "No problem. It happens to everyone." Let's review the new vocabulary. Describe means to explain what something looks like. Turn in means to give something you found to the right person or office. Embarrassed means feeling a little shy or awkward. Lost and found is the place where returned items are kept. And sincerely means truly or honestly. Here's a quick grammar reminder. When something happened in the past but still connects to now, we can use the present perfect tense. For example, "I've lost my phone," or "Have you seen it?" Now, repeat after me. "I've lost my phone." Could you describe it, please? "Thank you so much for helping me." "It happens to everyone." Excellent. Let's move on. Later that day, I think about the experience. Losing something can make anyone panic, but using clear, polite English can turn a stressful moment into a friendly one. Let's talk about the key phrases that helped me. "Excuse me, could you please help me?" "I think I dropped my phone near." "Thank you for checking." Each phrase shows respect, calmness, and gratitude, three qualities that make communication smoother. I also learned that tone matters more than perfect grammar. Saying, "Could you help me?" kindly sounds much better than shouting, "Hey, where's my phone?" Soft, reflective music. English isn't only about words, it's also about attitude. Even if your accent is different or your grammar isn't perfect, when you speak with kindness, people respond positively. Time to focus on the key ideas and words. Panic means to feel very afraid or confused suddenly. Respect is polite behavior toward others. Gratitude means thankfulness. And attitude is the way you think or feel about something. And respond means to answer or react. When we want to sound polite, we can use soft questions. For example, could you please? Or would you mind? Now say these lines with me. Could you please help me? Would you mind checking again? Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. Wonderful. Let's continue the story. Before going home, I stopped by a small repair shop to check if my phone still works fine. The technician smiles and says, "You're lucky, no damage at all." I laugh. That's a relief. I've learned my lesson. Always keep your phone zipped inside the bag. He nods. Good idea. It happens every day. People forget things because they're in a hurry. I agree. True. We're always multitasking. Coffee, headphones, messages. As he hands back the phone, he says something simple but wise. Sometimes losing something small helps us find something bigger. Patience. I smile at that. On the way home, I notice how kind everyone was. The cleaner, the officer, the young woman. Each person made the day better. This experience teaches me an important lesson about communication and gratitude. Even when things go wrong, our words can make them right again. Let's talk about some words from the repair shop scene. A technician is a person who repairs machines or devices. Damage means physical harm to something. Multitasking means doing many things at the same time. Relief is the happy feeling you get when stress is gone. And a lesson is something useful you learn from experience. Here's a phrase to remember. When people say, "I've learned my lesson," it means I'll be more careful next time. Now practice with me. That's a relief. I've learned my lesson. People were so kind today. Words can make things right. Excellent. Let's wrap it up. So what can we learn from the lost phone? Stay calm when problems happen. Use polite English to ask for help. Show gratitude when others support you. Remember, kindness and tone matter more than perfect grammar. Before we finish, let's review and practice fluency together. Here are the key expressions from the story. Excuse me, could you please help me? I lost my phone this morning. Have you seen a black phone with a blue case? Thank you so much. That's a relief. Now repeat with me one more time, clearly and confidently. Excuse me, could you please help me? I lost my phone this morning. Have you seen a black phone with a blue case? Thank you. That's very kind of you. I've learned my lesson. Beautiful work. Remember, every small story helps you build natural English. One phrase, one emotion, one conversation at a time. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing your English with confidence. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode of The English Growth.